Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're here to show you the new Picasso. It's a product that you can install in your car player or Android car player and Apple car player, and you can have a Netflix, Disney Plus, any Android application installed in your car. So let me show you the product. It's a plug and play product, so just simply to install. This is the product. It's brand new, just arrived into my hands today. This is the installation card, and here are the cables. So with this cable, what we normally do is plug it into this product. I'll show you how. Plug it in here, and this goes into USB connection in your car. Okay. Also, the product comes with a GPS. This is because if you wanna install an application that needs GPS, you will need to use this GPS as additional. But of course, you can use the application already in your car. You don't want to do that. So this is an optional. It's not required for installation for using Netflix, to watching Netflix or Disney in your car.